Hey folks, welcome back to Software Testing Hacks. In this video, we will talk about how we can handle the drop-down values in a particular drop-down with the help of Selenium. So, before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So, in this website, we have an option here, country, which is having a list of options available to select from the drop down. If I want India, I can select it like this. Manually, we can do like that, right? But how if I want to select it using the automation? So, for that, let's first inspect and find the locator for this country drop down field. Okay. So one thing to notice is whenever you are working with Dropdown, it will be having select. Okay. So the tag will be select and also it contains options. Option like this. Okay. Options are whatever is available in this dropdown, those are the options. Okay. So the tag name is option. Okay. First, what we have to do is we have to identify this element first. So we have ID available. So let's copy the ID and then we will try to launch our website and then try to identify this. But before that, we also learn what are the different ways that are available to select from the drop down. So let's go to the Eclipse. Let's create a new class. Let's see, drop down, select. Okay, let's copy uh, this, the lines. Okay, so after this, so what we are going to do is, first let's see what are the different ways that are available to select the option from the drop down. So first we will identify the element, the main country field. Okay, first for that, private dot find element by dot ID. So what is the ID here? This country. Right? So you see, this is a country. Copy and then let's paste this. So first what we'll do is we'll store this in the web element. This is a web element. So web element drop down is equal to this. So and import this web element. So to identify a particular option from the drop down, we have to use something called select class, which is dedicated only to select the value from the drop down. So for that, we have something called select class. So using the select class, select suppose drop down value, let's say drop down value is equal to the new select, then pass this drop down value, this web element, and then import the select. So till now what we did, we identified the country field and we created the select class for this. Okay. So now to select the value from the drop down, we have three options, three ways we can select the value from this drop down. Let's talk about it one by one. The very first thing is select by visible text. Okay. Select by visible text. And next is select by index. And next is select by value. So these are the three ways through which we can identify a particular element or we can select a particular value from the drop down. First, to see what will happen when we select it using the visible text. If we go to the application, here if you see, here we have the text like this, which is enclosed in this option tag. So based on the visible text, whatever is present here, based on this, it will select the value from the drop down. Okay. So for that, drop down one, sorry, drop down value. Okay. Dot. See here, we will get certain options: select by value, select by visible text, select by index, all this. So let's, select the select by visible text. Here, let's select Germany. Okay. Now let's run this. Did you notice that it selected the Germany from the drop down? Okay. So this is one way. From the available visible, it will identify and then it will perform action on this and then it will select the value. Another one is select by index. So what is the select by index? If you see the application here, it starts with 0th index, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes like this. Suppose if I want to select France, it is at which position? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is at the fourth place. Okay. So just count from 0th index: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is at the fourth index. So using the index value 4, we can select this particular element. So let's do that. So drop down value dot select by index. Let's pass 4. Let's run this now. Yes. So it selected France. So as what we did is we just used the index value. Using the index value, we were able to identify this France. Okay. So this is another way. So and finally we have select by value. Okay. In select by value, what will happen is here, if you see here, we have certain values associated, certain attributes associated with the option. So based on this value, it will identify the element and then it will select it. So here, if you see the value of United Kingdom is UK, Germany is Germany, it differs. Might be same or it might be different. It is completely on the developers how they develop. So if I want to select Japan, okay, so I can select this value, whatever is present in the value field, go back and then let's try to select it. Drop down value dot select by value and then enter this Japan. Save. Let's run this. Okay. So it selected Japan. So these are the different ways using which we can select. One is by using the visible, one is by using the index value of the option, and another is to select by the value present in the HTML, whatever the tag it is associated with. Sometimes the value might not be present. That time you cannot use it. If the value is present, then you can definitely use the value. Okay, hopefully you learned how we can select the option from the drop down. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.